Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 11, that is transportation in animals and plants. इस वीडियो में एक्सप्लेनेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कीवर्ड से। फर्स्ट कीवर्ड इज अमोनिया। Ammonia and the ammonium ion are vital components of metabolic processes. Next keyword is artery. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Next keyword is blood. Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Next keyword is blood vessels, a tube through which the blood circulates in the body. Blood vessels include a network of arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. Next keyword is capillary. On reaching the tissues, they divide further into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. Next keyword is circulatory system, the system that circulates blood and lymph through the body consisting of the heart, blood vessel, blood, lymph, the lymphatic vessels, and glands. Next keyword is dialysis, a process for separating substances from a liquid, especially for taking waste substances out of the blood of people with damaged kidneys. Next keyword is excretion. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Next keyword is excretory system. The parts involved in excretion form excretory system. Next keyword is hemoglobin, a red substance in the blood that carries the gas we need to live, like oxygen, and contains iron. Next keyword is heartbeat. The muscles of the heart contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythmic contraction, followed by its relaxation, constitute a heartbeat. Next keyword is kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist. They are located just below the ribcage, one on each side of your spine. Next keyword is phloem. The food has to be transported to all parts of the plant. This is done by the vascular tissue called the phloem. Next keyword is plasma. Plasma is the yellow liquid component of blood and constitutes 55% of the total blood volume. Next keyword is platelets, a very small blood cell shaped like a disc. Platelets make your blood become thicker. Next keyword is pulse. The regular beating in your body as blood is pushed around it by your heart. You can feel your pulse at your wrist, neck, etc. Next keyword is red blood cell. The blood cells that carry oxygen. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, and it is the hemoglobin which permits them to transport oxygen. Next keyword is root hair. Each of a large number of elongated microscopic outgrowths from the outer layer of the cells in the root, absorbing moisture and nutrients from the soil. Next keyword is stethoscope. The stethoscope is an acoustic medical device for osculation or listening to internal sounds of an animal or human body. Next keyword is sweat. To produce liquid through your skin because you are hot, ill, or afraid. Next keyword is tissue. A tissue is a group of cells to perform one or more specific functions. Next keyword is urea, a colorless substance that is found especially in the liquid waste that is passed from your body when you go to the toilet or urine. Next keyword is ureter. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like structure called ureters. Next keyword is urethra. Urine is stored in the bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of the muscular tube called urethra. Next keyword is uric acid. Uric acid is a waste byproduct. It's formed when your body breaks down purines, which are found in some foods. Next keyword is urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ in humans and other vertebrates that stores urine from the kidneys before disposal by urination. Next keyword is vein. Veins carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Next keyword is white blood cell. White blood cells are part of the body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. Next keyword is xylem. A tissue is a group of cells that perform specialized function in an organism. The vascular tissue for the transport of water and nutrients in the plants is called the xylem. Now questions answers. Question 1. Match structures given in column 1 with functions given in column 2. इस क्वेश्चन में बता रहा है कि कॉलम 1 में कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं और कॉलम 2 में कुछ फंक्शंस दिए हुए हैं. इन दोनों को मैच करना है. In column 1, structures are stomata, xylem, root hairs, phloem. In column 2, functions are absorption of water, transpiration, transport of food, transport of water, synthesis of carbohydrates. Now answer. For stomata, function will be transpiration. For xylem, function will be transport of water. For root hairs, function will be absorption of water. For phloem, function will be transport of food. Now fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the dash. Answer will be arteries. Next fill in the blank. Hemoglobin is present in dash cells. Answer will be red blood. Next fill in the blank. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of dash. Answer will be capillaries. Next fill in the blank. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called dash. Answer will be heartbeat. Next fill in the blank. The main excretory product in human beings is dash. Answer will be urea. Next fill in the blank. Sweat contains water and dash. Answer will be salts. Next fill in the blank. Kidneys eliminate the waste materials in the liquid form called dash. Answer will be urine. Next fill in the blank. Water reaches great heights in the trees because of suction pull caused by dash. Answer will be transportation. Now next question. Choose the correct option. This is MCQ. So first MCQ. In plants, water is transported through first option xylem, second option phloem, third option stomata, fourth option root hair. Answer will be xylem. Next MCQ. Water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants first option in the shade, second option in dim light, third option under the fan, fourth option covered with a polythene bag. Answer will be under the fan. Next question. Why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. It means plants और animals में material का transport क्यों जरूरी है? Explain करें. Answer. Transport of materials is necessary for plants or animals because every cell needs a regular supply of nutrients and oxygen for releasing energy through respiration. When our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. Next question. What will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? It means अगर blood में platelets नहीं हो तो क्या होगा? Answer. If there are no platelets in the blood, then after a minute, any injury or cut, the blood will not clot and continue to flow outside the body, and it is dangerous for that person. Next question. What are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Answer. Stomata are tiny pores or opening on the surface of the leaf. Now two main functions are: first, they allow for gas exchange, acting as an entryway for carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen that we breathe. Second function, regulating water movement through transpiration. Next question. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Explain. It means क्या transpiration plants में कोई useful काम करता है? Explain करें. Answer. Transpiration creates the transpiration pool which is responsible for the rise of water to great heights in the tall plants and other trees. Next question. What are the components of blood? It means blood का components क्या है? Answer. Blood has four main components. First, plasma. Second, red blood cells. Third, white blood cells. And fourth, platelets. Next question. Why is blood needed by all the parts of a body? It means body के सभी parts को blood की क्यों जरूरत है? Answer. Blood needed by all parts of a body because of First point, blood carries carbon dioxide and other waste materials to the lungs, kidneys. Second point, blood carries digested food to various parts of the body for absorption. Third point, blood fights infections and carries hormones around the body. Now next question, what makes the blood look red? It means blood को red कौन बनाता है? Answer, blood looks red because of presence of a red pigment called hemoglobin or protein. Next question, describe the function of the heart. It means heart के function को describe करें. Answer, the heart is the main organ in the circulatory system. The structure primarily responsible for delivering the circulation of blood and transportation of nutrients in all parts of the body. The oxygen distribution process begins through the right atrium, goes into the right ventricles, enters the lungs for oxygen, refill and release the carbon dioxide, and transfers into the left chambers, ready for redistribution. Next question, why is it necessary to excrete waste products? It means waste products का बाहर निकालना क्यों जरूरी है? Answer, certain waste products like urea, uric acid, ammonia is produced in the body cells during functioning of cells. These harmful and toxic substances called excretory substances. If such substances accumulate in the body, it disturbs our health. So, it is necessary to excrete such harmful and toxic substances to maintain our health. Next and last question, question number 13. Draw a diagram of human excretory system and level the various parts. It means human excretory system के diagram को draw करें और इसके different parts को level करें. So you can draw this diagram and level it. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.